parlare perché abbiamo fatto la prova solo 2 volte e basta.
Anche una, anche niente.
Hello, mic test. This song is heartedly and lovingly dedicated to all of you.
Wow!
Spero che facciamo bene.
Happy birthday! Laba kayo mga kamay! Aki pa ah!
Sweet sensation, it's a miracle that's happened. Don't search for an explanation. Only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. This is in the powers of the universe, conspired to make it mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
Mamaya na. Hindi kasi magdadrive ako.
Oh, foolish people. Akin.
Wala naman. Baka makontrol ako. Baka makontrol. Magpinsa kami. Magpinsa kami. Malapit sa your kaya nga, baka may control. Hindi ah. Start ka lahat.
In your arms I found yes.
Pero natakot ako kasi may control. Baka.
If they only realize
Ari ako nila niyaw.
that I was born for you, and that you were born for me, and in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What of the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Grazie mille, ho dimenticato. No, mi sono un po' confusa perché ha messo la terza pagina qua. Ok, allora grazie mille per